Alright, what's up, y'all? It's 202 Wink. And it's October 7th. What's October 7th? The day I was born. So, it's my birthday. Play the movie sounds, whatever. It's the morning of my birthday. I ain't do the vlog yet, but fuck it. Here you go. I got a new tattoo and all that. But I got this a few days ago, if y'all can see it. But, yeah, we just got a quick unboxing real quick. Some Versace. Shout out to my cousin Mark, Versace Wink. Yes, it's 2 Winks in my family. Rest in peace, though. So, I've been had this stuff, like, to the point where the boxes is beat up. It's been in my truck, and here, there, everywhere, because I waited to unbox these jumps. So, let's start with the underwear. Y'all already know, I always show y'all how to get the designer for the low. And y'all know that I love buying underclothes. So, socks all fifth. Versace sale. And they still got a sale. I still need to buy some more types of stuff. But you got the Versace on the side. This is just some underwear. Shout out to the weirdo who asked me why I don't wear Victoria's Secret underwear. And then I asked him to send me some, and I'll show it. Don't be worrying about what I'm wearing, y'all. Psych, nah. Psych, yeah. At the end of the day, it's drawers. So, anyway, caught them on sale, 2-pack. What this junk say? Trunk, stretch, 95% cotton. I want to feel these junks to see if they really better than, like, if this so-called designer underwear, I want to know if it's better than my little regular little Calvin Kleins or my Ethicas or you know, little drawers. So, let's pull them out, see what they looking like. It just say Versace around the band, for real, Versace. This material do feel stretchy. I wonder if it's the same material as the, you know, what's the names? Now, I just did get out the shower. That's why my skin is glistening. Matter of fact, let me put this ponytail real quick. I feel like when my hair touches my tattoo sometimes, it burns. I don't know. But, yeah, you know, they're just some drawers, though. Size, I think, extra small. Let me see. And that's crazy. These Jones usually go for $85 for a 2-pack. Rich people be crazy. I would never pay $85 for drawers. Like, I paid, how much did I pay for these? I was just looking. No matter what I paid for these, it was never going to be $85. Like, where did Joan go? Boom, $20. I paid $20 for a 2-pack. Now, that's reasonable. I'm about to throw these Jones right on because I just got out the shower and I'm partially in my birthday suit. See what these Jones feel like. And I bought these Jones like a month ago. Yes, I waited a month to put on these drawers. They alright. They alright whole time. I ain't about to show y'all because y'all like to be nasty on here. I can't just show y'all me in drawers without somebody being nasty. I don't like that. Don't be looking. Look at the drawers and that's it. But nah, for real though, these Jones is alright though. I'm still not about to show y'all, but these Jones is alright. The band cute. But yeah, that being said, that's that. And then we also got more, just a little t-shirt, you know what I'm saying? A little 2-pack. Oh, this sort of little junk. And these shirts really go for $125, but of course I got them on sale for $27. Here go a white junk. It's just white. Says Versace on the shirt. I hate showing y'all the white shirts because I don't really like touching white stuff unless I'm actually about to wear it. So I will show y'all the other shirts. And also, all of these jumps can go in one box for real. So here go the blue Versace shirt. It does feel good. It give me like G-Star vibes for real. Like, it's nice and stretchy. So y'all know you could definitely wash this and all of that. What size is this? It's 3. I believe I got it in the extra small though. Versace. The shirt say Versace. This is just a little t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? Just something cool on sale. Some people say, oh, you're just paying for the name. But no, I believe you pay for quality too. And I'm all about quality over quantity. And yeah, y'all, that's it. This is a short little video. Like I said, I just wanted to, when I needed to put on some drawers. So I wanted to show y'all that. Tell y'all it's my birthday. Go ahead and put the comments below. Show y'all my tattoo. I'll try to show y'all again. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. But, I don't know what that is. But yeah, also I got my bike out the shop yesterday, and that joint was in there for a good 3.5 weeks. So yeah, y'all. Yeah, this joint, the other joint definitely didn't tell me my size shirt. But yeah, I'm gone. Like, comment, subscribe, share.